healthcare, plumbing, welding, commercial truck driving. These are just some of the many high-demand, high-paying career opportunities Newton County School System high school students were exposed to recently, thanks to a special partnership between the school district, Georgia Piedmont Technical College, the Northeast Georgia Regional Commission, and the Newton County Industrial Development Authority. These partners work together to bring the Be Pro, Be Proud mobile workshop experience to students at Alcovy High School, Newton High School, and the Newton College and Career Academy. The Be Pro, Be Proud mobile rig showcases numerous technical professions and allows students the unique opportunity to gauge their interest, skills, and aptitude for various technical careers currently available in our region.
So Be Pro, Be Proud is a mobile workshop essentially that travels around the state and exposes students to careers, professional trade careers that maybe they wouldn't be typically exposed to. So things like advanced manufacturing and robotics and plumbing and commercial truck driving on a simulator. All of those things are pieces of the puzzle where they get out there in the mobile workshop, they put their hands on it, do welding simulators and things like that, and really start to understand how there's a world out there that they can be successful at and start connecting those dots with what their future might hold based on their experience with the Be Pro, Be Proud truck.
The Be Pro, Be Proud truck is designed to allow students to see what it's like to get behind the wheel of an 18-wheeler, assemble a PVC pipe, analyze human anatomy through augmented reality, bind metal through a virtual welding experience, and test hand-eye coordination through an engaging skills challenge. Some of Newton County's community leaders and elected officials also received an opportunity to test their skills as well. Reggie Lagrone, tour manager of Be Pro, Be Proud, explained that exposing students to a wide variety of technical professions can play an important role as it opens up many more pathways to success after high school that students might not otherwise be aware of.
Well, it gives the students the chance to know that they have options, decisions. Some students may or may not want to go to college, may not have the funds available to go to a four-year college. So exposing them to professional skills gives them the opportunity to know what options that they have.
According to Asher Dozier, Vice President of Economic Development for the Newton County Industrial Development Authority, the students aren't the only ones reaping the benefits of the Be Pro, Be Proud program initiative.
Newton County has a great industrial base. We're proud of it. I think it's something that the state envies, the industry we have here and the jobs we have here and the opportunities we have here. But for us to keep the jobs that we have here and to keep the industry here and to attract future and better industry, we have to have workers who are trained for these high-skilled, high-demand jobs that are coming. So what we need is workforce. And the best asset for us to get workforce is the current K-12 students. These are our workers of tomorrow that we're trying to train today. So we love to partner with Georgia Piedmont Technical College, to partner with Newton County School Systems, to partner with NEGRC to make these opportunities happen so that these kids are at least exposed to the reality of what's out there and the income that they could have at some of these jobs.
To emphasize the tremendous opportunities currently available in our region, representatives from various corporations and associations like Clarion Metals, Mechanical Trades Institute, Georgia Piedmont Technical College, Mechanical Contractors Association of Georgia, Atlanta Electrical Contractors Association, and Electrical Contractors Incorporated also met with the students to discuss the availability of paid internships, on-the-job training, college dual enrollment, and the numerous high-paying careers one can pursue right out of high school.
We know that our students have bright futures, and our goal, I think, and why this is so important is because Newton County has so much to offer, especially in the areas that are covered in kind of the professional trades, and those futures are bright, and they're brighter than people think, because it's not yesterday's manufacturing, it's not yesterday's trade. That group of folks are retiring, the technology is changing, and those jobs are out there, they're high demand, they're high pay, and high skilled. And so exposing our kids who have those bright futures to be able to go out and tackle that world and be a part of that workforce and be a part of our community is really the driving force of why it's so important.
Newton County Schools is excited to support and partner with the Be Pro, Be Proud Georgia initiative as it leads the movement to bring a new generation of pride, progress, and professionals to Georgia's skilled workforce.